13 birthdays. Start with my team member Swati Lekha.
10%.
Siddharth. Vimal Rathod and Kailesh का बर्थडे गया था. Both of them are not there today. Then we have Indermi. Yogesh Mistry. From Lifestyle, even Rakesh Pindi and Pramod is not available. Their birthday has also gone. Pawan Prakash is also not available. उनका आज वेयरहाउस में कोई काम आ गया, he is not available. Trushal. Then we have Bapu. Bapu is also not available today. Then we have Javed. And Snehanka. Even Snehanka is not available today. Yes, guys, make a wish and set the cake. Hey girls and boys, किसी को हो करवाना है? हाँ स्वाति का लाउडली. शरद सर.
Thank you. You know, in the morning I was going with Rajendra to one of the meetings, and I asked him one question. Has anybody heard of Ubuntu operating system? You have heard of it? Okay. Anybody else? नहीं सुना है ना? Okay, you know what is that Ubuntu operating system? I'll just share a story with you. There is a anthropologist जो है ना दिमाग की स्टडी करता है, who reads human behavior. So he goes to a African tribal. पूरे अफ्रीका में एकदम illiterate, unexposed ऐसा गांव ढूंढता है, and he picks up almost 13 boys and girls. Okay, so this is the group he picks up, and believe me, you will relate to that man. So he picks up, you know, Swati Lekha to Javed, and she is also part of that. He says, let me study their behavior. So what he does, he keeps them at a distance of 100 meters, and to that side of the, you know, table, there's a tree, a big tree. Then he keeps 2 boxes, 1 box full of sweets, amazing cakes and sweets, and the other box is full of candies, again another kind of sweet. He says, whoever comes first will take all the sweets and candies. Okay? So he says, you don't have to run now. Huh? He says, okay, ready, on your mark, get set, go. And the moment he says that, ये सारे 13 tribals जो हैं अपना हाथ पकड़ते हैं एक दूसरे का, and they all reach at the same time, and they all eat all the sweets because nobody reached first, nobody reached second. So बैठते हैं 13 जन सारे sweets और candies लेते हैं खा के, क्योंकि everybody reached first, so everybody has to share it. So they enjoy it, they finish the sweets. अभी एंथ्रोपोलॉजिस्ट पागल हो जाता है, जो डॉक्टर जाता है ना उधर, वो बोलता है यार ये मैं ट्राइबल एरिया में हूँ, ये क्या कर रही हो? So he says, he calls these guys. He says, I told you very clearly that you have to run and get the sweets. Why did you do like this? So the group says that if one is happy and all other are sad, what is that happiness? That person, one person cannot say happy. Ubuntu is something which comes from Africa. This is a word, and Ubuntu means I am because we are. So that's the meaning of Ubuntu, and they are real examples of being Ubuntu. मैं यही पूछ रहा था कि ये 10 के 10 चेहरे जो है ना ऐसे हैं कि they actually are for the world. स्वाति लेखा क्या तृप्ति का तो बर्थडे नहीं है, फिर भी इसमें पार्ट है वो. Meet, Siddharth, Sarika is part of that. We are a Ubuntu family. So do you understand the meaning of Ubuntu? There is an operating system which is Ubuntu, which the whole focus आप Google करना तो पता चल जाएगा. किसी लोगों ने कर भी लिया होगा. UBUNTU, Ubuntu operating system. It says, together we are happy. The moment you start working for yourself, you can never be happy because people around you are sad. So you can never be happy. So it says, I am because we are. So that's a story which I thought I'll just share with you. Thank you so much.
Christine, who's next? Me, there's a lot of wish. You can. Breathe. No one wanted to perform. Breathe. In this month, we have a new joinees also.
Priyanka has joined us a month before. She will be working with me.
यार इतनी beautiful लड़की join की आवाज़.
Okay. She'll be working with me in Tide and Milan's young marketing segment. Just she will introduce herself.
Yes, ma'am.
What you have been doing before you came in Experts? You were working for some company or?
Yeah, I'm working in a textile fitters company. But after joining Texpert, I'm feeling less because all are declarations and I'm taking advantage that I'm only single girl in IPD IMS team. So I'm feeling blessed and happy, and especially thanks to my boss Devendra because at somewhere he's such a tolerate me because I'm talking bug and you are just listening. Okay.
All the best. Talk about Siddharth. Yes, Siddharth has been with us for quite a while. If Jitendra, you want to share something? Javed, I think these are all stalwarts. Me, amazing person. If somebody wants to share any experience of your,
Actually, all October bonds are smaller stalwarts.
आप तो अक्टूबर के नहीं हो. True.
September, October people see each one of them is taking lead in their field, including me, Swapileka, Siddharth, Tushar, Javed, and even Yogesh. So I think this month of October is good.
You know, we should ask HR people to have this one eligibility. Look for people who are in October. September, October. Sarika, you want to share something about anybody? Disha, anybody? Suchi, आप लोग यार interact करते हो सब लोग, कुछ ना कुछ आपको.
मैं सबके लिए एक वर्ड बोलना चाहूँगी.
Please.
इंद्रमीत झांसी की रानी, स्वाति लेखा इंदिरा गांधी, आपके लिए ठाकुर, इंटेलिजेंट गाय, इज वेरी इंटेलिजेंट गाय, विशाल एकदम आपके साथ तो है ही. क्या
आप बोलना.
चॉकलेट जावेद भी हमेशा स्माइल करता है. जावेद के लिए नाम मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा है. हसमुख भाई, और लोकेश के लिए भी हसमुख भाई.
एक गुजराती ने दादी को बोला कि बादाम खाया है? नहीं, मतलब उसमें बहुत ताकत होती है, याददाश्त एकदम सॉलिड हो जाती है. बोले कैसे? गुजराती बोलता है कि 1 किलो चावल में कितने दाने होते हैं? दादी बोलते हैं मालूम नहीं. बोले जो बादाम खा, तो बादाम देता है. फिर पूछता है 1 डजन केले में कितने केले होते हैं? मतलब 12. आधा बढ़ेगा ही ना. काट पीट ही जाए, 2 किलो बांध दे.
Anyone else? Suchi?
Okay. For Indermeet, always a smiling face. स्वाति लेखा जब भी मिलती है शरद के बारे में पूछेंगी. Let me complete my work, please.
Recording over.
But एक चीज थी, मैंने आपको आके बोली थी कि आपने स्वाति लेखा को बर्थडे विश किया. Like she was literally looking for कि आप जाके उसको विश करें. नहीं, like regarding her work, she is very punctual, but down to earth. Siddharth, second Amir Khan, technically.
कंपटीशन है भाई.
Tushar, down to earth. Yogesh, supportive. Javed, good friend.
I was completely into a different organization wherein the rules were different, the hierarchy was followed and everything. So I thought, how will I adjust to this particular environment, the corporate kind of environment and private. और I think 1 महीने के बाद ही मुझे पता ही नहीं चला कि कब, I got used to it and I was very well gelled up with everybody. And यहाँ पे मैंने एक चीज़ ये नोटिस की है कि हम सिर्फ काम करते हैं करने के लिए नहीं, यहाँ पे हर एक आदमी पूरी तरह से जुड़ा हुआ है. I mean even if you sometimes there are इससे बुरा लगा, उससे अच्छा लगा, ये तो जहाँ 4 बर्तन है वहाँ तो आवाज़ होती ही है, लेकिन हम लोग दिल से जुड़े हुए हैं, ये मैं फील कर सकती हूँ. We all are with each one of us. तो इसके लिए we never say anything bad about our organization. We always into our heart we have something good about our organization. So इसलिए ऐसी organizations कभी नहीं रुकती. They go on and on and on. So I just want to tell you sir कि we all are we all think positive about it and सब लोग यहाँ दिल से हैं and we are a family. मतलब हम सिर्फ बोलने के लिए नहीं, we actually are a family.
मैं यहाँ से मतलब I've been here for like a year and a half now. तो starting में it was मतलब अच्छा चल रहा था everything. अभी भी everything is all good.
स्टार्टिंग में ठीक चल रहा था, फिर जितेंद्र को देखा। अभी का चल रहा है।
पहले से देखने में देख रहा हूँ तो नहीं day and again the support has been always from all the sides. May it be Jitendra, Sharad, in the team also, Devendra, Brijmon, everyone is supportive. और ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि ये तेरा काम है या इसको तुझे ही करना है या ऐसा कुछ नहीं. Everyone contributes and even Sarika and all these guys are all supportive. तो कहीं पे कुछ रुकता नहीं. So really it is blessed organization to work with.
Please guys.
I joined this company last 10 months back, but in this 10 months, like it was quite a smooth journey for me. When I joined, I was not like sure how it would be, but after joining, I felt it very good and so content. I always admire Sharada's which Suchi said. I really like him as a person, as a personality that he has, and the way he communicates with the employee and all. That's I really appreciate and really like it.
Thank you. Very much.
अगर पेन गुम जाए तो हम लोग नया पेन खरीद सकते हैं, और पेन का ढक्कन गुम जाए तो हम लोग वो नया नहीं खरीद सकते. इसलिए लाइफ में एक चीज़ ऑलवेज याद रखना कि सिर्फ टीचुक बटन वाली कॉल कर लेना.
Girls and boys, hip hip, hip hip.